A mob reportedly looted 21 firearms from the Uklhrul police station after the exchange of gunfire that took place between residents of Hungpung and Hunpun villages adjoining Uklhrul town on October 2nd. The gunfight, which resulted due to land dispute between the people of the two villages, left 3 dead and several injured. A police official said that the mob decamped with 8 9mm pistols, 6 INSAS rifles, 3 AK-47 automatic rifles, 2 9mm carbines, a self-loading rifle and a Sten gun. The mob also looted 981 rounds of ammunition. The gunfight erupted following a cleanliness drive which was organized by Thawaijau Hungpung Youth Students organizations. After violence broke out in Uklhrul town, a mob comprising mostly of youth stormed the police station located at Wino Bazaar and decamped with government weapons. Uklhrul police has taken up a case to investigate in the matter. It may be mentioned that 3 individuals, including a personnel of 6th Manipur Rifles, lost their lives in the gunfight that erupted yesterday in Uklhrul. District magistrate had to impose curfew and ban internet in the district to prevent further escalation of violence. The victims are identified as Rilewung Hongre and Saila Zingkai of Hunpun villages. MR personnel Wurin Mi Tumra of Lunghar village.